Okay, so now let's start with our actual work. We will start creating the dependency. So one way is to create dependency that select those two items and use these two buttons. So if you see, go to the tasks tab, you will see these two buttons. First say the link and second was unlinked task. So there are many features available. We would be discussing the required one as we proceed on the training session. But now let's say we have started the project, so let's create the linking between these two. First you have to define the scope and then you have to approve the scope. So select this one first and second and click on the link. Just keep an eye on this area. I'm clicking this one. See, it automatically added a link. So we have created, like, first scope definition need to be completed, then you can go ahead and approve the step. So let's add the scope definition. May take around let's say 3 days, and approval, review and approval may take 1 day. So we are good. So we have created, and now if you see that we have already selected the task mode is equal to automatic. So as soon as I click on the 3 days, this finish date automatically shifted. So that's why I ask you to create, always create project task in automatic scheduling. So let's see, let's move ahead and create the dependency. Now see, once a project is scope is approved, then we would start creating the design doc. Let's link these two. Similarly, create link these two together. Once design doc is approved, we will start the setting of the code. Then once setup of the code, then you can go ahead and do the development. Okay, so let me stop here and say you some more interesting things. Here, if you see that it is linked with the set of the code is linked with the approved design document, but in actual scenario it is not. You can start this setup code and tools in parallel, maybe in parallel to the design document itself. So if you want to start this one setup code in the parallel, so double click here on this line, go to the here, and if you see that here it's saying finish to finish, sorry, finish to start. It means when the previous activity will finish, then it can start. But here what you can do, you can select it something like finish to finish and click OK. Now if you see that these two activity, although they are linked, but they are starting finish to finish. But again, if you see that it is starting on the same day ending, but sometime it may take around something like 3 days. Let's try to change here. This setup code may take around 2 days. Let's see what happens. If you see that started shifted. Let's see once more. For this one dependency, what we did, we have selected that the set of the code is dependent on finish to finish of the activity number 6. That's why you will see here 6 F and F. It means finish to finish. Now this activity will always end on the same day when the design doc is approved. Mostly it happen in our real scenario as well, that setup code must be completing on the same day when design doc is approved, so that development can be start immediately just after that. But normally it doesn't take only 1 day, so it may take around 4 or 5 days. Let's put the 5 days. If you see that start date 25th, finish 25th, but now I'm changing this duration is equal to 5 days. So it won't change the finish day, it will change the start date, because we have set the dependency or constant saying that it should finish to finish with the activity design doc. So this is one more type of dependency, that is finish to finish. Maybe that if you want, let you want to add finish to finish plus some more day. So here if you see that finish to finish, let me add that it can be finish to finish plus 1 days. So it can end on the same finish to finish, but also it can have one more day. So now if you see that Finish date also shifted accordingly. Now development can start, and development can take around something 10 days. So you can see that it automatically adjusted. Now if you see here, 10 days. Now let's see why. Okay, sorry, we haven't saved that one. Okay, good. It is good that you haven't saved. Now let's add the holidays. We have started this project. Now if you see that, just keep an eye on this activity, all this activity. And now if you see that these are two highlighted rows, let me save so that everything is removed. Now I'm going to the change working time, and we'll see. I will add 20 as a holiday. Holiday. Also add 2nd October as a holiday. And okay. Now if you see that all the plan automatically shifted, because go here, see now 23rd is a holiday, highlighted columns. Similarly, 2nd October is highlighted. So project plan has automatically adjusted its entire durations. That's the powerful feature of these MS project. So if you put the holidays and leave of any team member, project plan will automatically shift itself. Let's move ahead, complete quickly all those rest of dependency. So when development is complete, then we can deploy code to the, go to the task manager, click. One code is deployed, then you can go ahead and do the unit testing. Let's complete unit testing in at least 2 days. Similarly, let's keep linking everything. Informal testing may take around 3 days. See here, this is starting on the same day. We'll see that how we can manage those that this as well. So now if you see that it's gone beyond my screen, so if you click on the scroll to task, it will post me there. Now click this one, informal testing, and link these two, then retest. Again, once the retest is complete, we'll code the deploy the code to while, and once it's deployed to the while, we will complete the formal testing, and once formal testing complete, we will formally close those documents, keep linking everything, then we will add these two links together, and this one to this one. So now if you see that it created a Gantt chart for us, let me go like this. So a Gantt chart has been created having all those dependency. So this was about that how you can create the dependency between project, dependency between the task, and also we have seen that how we can adjust or have how we can record the holidays and vacations. Let's save it and let's move to the next step.